Well, I gave Megan the bag of balls, and this is what she's done with it.
It's quiet on the home front. Not a lot of activity. You need the news, and yet some people need to sell, and other people want to buy.
And now she just wants to play with her sock.
Challenge and opportunity. Fortunately, RE/MAX agents have the experience to help you meet the one.
Whoa! 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 Yeah. You are a crazy girl. And here's Tidbit. Say hello, Tidbit. Say hello to everybody, Tidbit. Turn your head. Turn your head the other way. Turn your head. Okay. See you, everybody.